Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I am going to explain about Redux Thunk middleware. Previously, we have created the asynchronous action creator. Now we are going to get the data from API using asynchronous Thunk. First, we have to open the terminal, install Axios Redux Thunk. We have to install this. After installing, close the terminal and import Axios. Constant Axios require Axios. The same way, import the Redux Thunk require Redux Redux Thunk. Next, I'm going to create one action creator called fetch user. Fetch user arrow function, and here it should return one arrow function, one normal, one function. So I'm going to use arrow function. I'm going to pass the dispatch here, dispatch this dispatch, and I'm going to use Axios to get the data. Dot get URL and open the window here, JSON placeholder, JSON placeholder API. So you will get the fake API. Copy the URL from here which you want. So I'm going to use this particular URL. Copy this URL, close the window and paste it here. Then if it is success, then arrow function get response from the parameter and create one variable called data, constant data, and here response dot data dot map arrow function, and you have to provide one value here, and you have to get the value user, and it should return the user id. So now you will store all the user id in a data array. In case if there is a fail, if there is a error in getting data, then we have to use catch arrow function error, and here we can use our error console. I'm going to console dot log error. Next, we have three action creators in the top, so let's use this. Get user, go here and provide trigger the get user here. So dispatch, get the dispatch, and use here the get user action creator. If it is success, here dispatch, copy the get request success action creator and paste it here. Here I'm going to pass the data which we have get previously in an array with user ID. Finally, if there is an error, dispatch error action creator. Here we have get request fail. Action creator and error value will be passed as a params. Next, we have to get the middleware. So I'm going to provide redux dot apply middleware. Here I'm going to apply the redux thunk, and we have missed here. After redux thunk, we have to provide default. Finally, after this store dot subscribe arrow function console dot log updated value. Here we are going to console the current value dot get state, and here I'm going to provide normal console initial value store dot get state. Next, store dot dispatch dot fetch user. So now we are triggering this fetch user. Let me change here. You can see here, for every action I have only user request. User request success, user request success, user request fail, user request fail. Now open the terminal, debug console. Here you can see the updated values here. Here the loading is true. Once it is success, the data loading become false and the data has been updated here, and error being empty string. This is how we are using the Redux Thunk to get the API and to work with asynchronous actions. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.